Take command of the road in the 2009 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.